Now we are going to start. Its name is bevel gear and worm gear. So the bevel gear and worm gear, this unit is there. First we are going to start with the bevel gear. So first topic is types of bevel gear. What types of bevel gear are there? There are certain specific categories of bevel gear. First is the meter gear. This is how it meter gear looks like. It's having a 90-degree angle. Both the gear make a 90-degree angle. That is 45 degree this. Okay, with the combination we will get a 90-degree angle. And its advantages are the following characteristics. The pitch angle of pinion and gear of meter gear are same and each is at 45 degree. The pinion and gear of meter gear rotate at same speed. The pinion and gear have same dimension, namely addendum, dedendum same. Both the things are same. That means same gears are there. The pinion and gear of meter gear are always mounted on shaft which are perpendicular to each other. That means the shaft having 90-degree angle, that angle for that we use this meter gear. Okay, now next is the crown gear. This is also very interesting crown gear. In this, one gear must have a 90-degree angle. Here you can see that this gear is having a 90-degree angle and this is not. This having some different angle. Okay, so this angle is gamma. So this is known as the crown gear. So it is mounted on a shaft which are intersecting at an angle that is more than 90 degree. That's why it is used. Here you can see it is 90 degree. Here it is more than 90 degree. So the crown gear is equivalent to rack in spur gearing. Okay, they are shown in figure 2 and pitch angle of gear is 90 degree. The bevel, pinion and crown gears are always mounted on shaft that are intersecting at an angle 90 degree. More than 90 degree, just remember more than 90 degree crown gear is there. Then internal beaver gear, that means the gear is from the internal side. Here you can see this. The face is like this. Okay, for that the gear teeth are in the inside part. So this are known as, this is a pinion. It's a small pinion bevel gear is there. Okay, in this case the pitch angle of internal gear is more than 90 degree. Pitch angle for this is more than 90 degree and the apex point is on the back side of the teeth. We will see the nomenclature also. So this is how the internal bevel. Now this is a very interesting part. It is the skew bevel gear. Skew bevel gear are different. Okay, when two straight bevel gears are mounted on shaft, two straight, that means just see here the straight teeth are there, here also the straight teeth are there, and the shafts are non-intersecting and non-parallel. So for that we use skew bevel gear, and it is seen that the apex point of this is offset with respect to that. Skew bevel gear have straight teeth and it are mounted on non-parallel and non-intersecting shaft. Next is the hypoid gear. This is, we have seen is, this is the hypoid gear. Okay, hypoid gear are similar to spiral bevel gear. This is how the spiral bevel. Now the theoretical part of the spiral is in next slide, so I will explain it here only. Okay, so hypoid gears are based on pitch surface which are hyperboloids revolution. When two hyperboloids are rotated together, the resultant motion is a combination of rolling and sliding. Here the rolling and sliding you will get. Here you can see the teeth structure is in a spiral form. Okay, here. So this gives a really sliding friction and reduces the efficiency of a hypoid gear. Efficiency of this is 98 to 99%. It is very good and its characteristic that it's have a curved teeth. Hypoid gears are mounted on non-parallel and non-intersecting shaft are mainly used in automobile differential gearbox. Okay. These gears allow the drive shaft to be placed well below the center line of the rear axle. Okay, another advantage of hypoid gear is that the offset of the shaft is so great that the shaft may continue past each other. So hypoid gear gives noiseless operation. See, this is the straight bevel gear. You will find teeth is totally straight, not like skew. The skew you can see this center point is different, but here the center point is same. Hmm? And phase gear is there. Phase gear we are going to see. This is the phase gear. Zero gear is just like a spiral bevel gear with zero spiral angle. Its it's totally spiral. Zero spiral angle is there. Okay. So phase gear consists of a spur or helical. This is the spur gear, or sometimes it is helical gear also. This is spur or helical. Okay, and it is combined with a bevel gear. The pinion of phase gear is either spur or helical, are mounted on intersecting shaft that are at 90, that are at right angle to each other. So advantage is that the teeth can be turned with the spur cutter. An axial position of the pinion is not critical, as in case of bevel gear. Disadvantage is that the width of tooth face is small. Bevel gear, straight, spiral, or hypoid are not interchangeable and are always designed in pairs. In majority of cases, the angle between the axis of intersecting shaft is 90. This is how the phase gear is there. So these are different types of bevel gears.